Welcome back to another video. So, for today's video is how to fix something wrong in Instagram Reels. So, let's get started. The first thing you can do to get rid of this message is to make sure your app is updated. So, let's go head over to Play Store. And once you're in Play Store, type Instagram in the search bar. So, to the right, in Instagram, it will either say open or update. If it says open, that means your Instagram is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your app. The reason we do this is because a new update gets rid of any bugs and lags the last update you may have had. If it still doesn't work, we can go ahead and offload the app. So I'm going to go in settings. From settings, I'm going to go to app, then manage apps. I'm gonna search Instagram. So we have the option to offload the app or delete the app. So we're going to storage and clear data. Then clear all data. The reason we offload the app is because it resets the app. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app. Alright, and one more thing we can do is to check your internet connection. So let's go back to settings and we're going to check whether the connection is stronger in Wi-Fi connection or in data connection. It can slow down filters and music if the connection is slow. So I hope that one of these things work and I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and like.